emotion from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba-sobra loob ko.
Nararating ko lang talaga guys from work. So,
this is my insights about Willie Doc Ong. Sarcoma is a rare, complicated type of cancer. Many people wonder if it is stress or feeling down makes them cancer, but that's not true. Cancer cells can grow in our bodies without any clear reasons. Sometimes they just start to grow faster, like what happened to Willie Doc Ong. If you get sick, especially with cancer, you encounter a lot of stress and depression. You might think that it happened to you because you were stressed or depressed. Even innocent children often ask why they are sick, diba? Usually when I draw blood from child for laboratory tests, I feel sad because they are so young to have a sarcoma. I hope these children have a long life ahead of them. As for the video mentioned, they claim that the person got sick because of the impact of social media. This is not true. Just like what Willie Doc Ong said, that he was being humiliated with the bashers on social media because even if he ran 10 times, he did not even win, diba? So that makes him stressed and to get the sarcoma. No. Stress and depression is far from to have a sarcoma because that sarcoma is a rare form of cancers that begins in the bones and soft tissues such as muscles, fat, blood vessels, nerves, tendons, and the lining of joints. You know, even before I saw Willie Doc Ong, I know that there is something about his body kasi nga hindi normal yung kanyang payat. So I'm thinking that na baka nga may ganun siya, but well, syempre hindi mo naman na-predict. So it happened na ngayon nalaman ko parang hindi na siya bago sa akin because I know, 'di ba? From yung physical pa lang na katawan ni Willie Doc Ong. It's explained the virus of tissues sarcomas where they can occur in the body na magkaroon talaga siya ng ganon. Yung types kasi ng sarcoma or bone sarcomas, it is common for adolescents, young adults, and people over age 60. So ngayon, yung iba dyan, kung wala kayo, baka one day meron kayong ganun, di ba? You cannot predict eh. Pero parang makikita mo talaga sa body structure nyo na parang may something din sa mga bones niya. So, yun lang nakikita ko talaga. So, I hope na naintindihan nyo, no, na hindi ko naman siya binabash. So, when it comes naman dun sa gusto niyang tumakbo for being vice president, you don't need to run for the president. If you want to help people, you can help, diba? Yung Samaritans, you can help whatever na hindi mo kailangan tumakbo being a vice president, diba? But kailangan mo yan, sasakit lang ang ulo mo dyan. And that's, that's very, pathetic questions or reasons kung bakit siya nagkaroon ng ganong sakit. No.